Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Randy from the Black Orchid Project. It is Saturday morning, and I am having my cup of coffee, and it is a unique day here. It's very overcast and rainy, and so I'm just kind of hanging out, but it's really nice out. Nice temperature outside. I know it's loud, so please excuse me for that. As you can see, it is very misty and overcast today, and it's going to be like that for the next few days, at least next 2 days. So I am going to show you what I did with my plants. So here's my ragtag bunch of rescue orchids. Actually got a couple of my Japanese black pine bonsais down there, but excuse the noise, I'm sorry. But yeah, so when it is misty and dreary and rainy outside, I do like to bring them out. I live in a place that would be considered humid to somebody somewhere that, somebody that lives somewhere dry, but somewhere like Houston or Florida, it is it's more dry here. So I will bring them outside and put them here. I'm just gonna kind of go real slow while I talk to you. Now, here's the deal with this. I don't do this often anymore. And you wanna know why? Because I have lost some of my favorite plants to doing this. I tell you, about a year and a half ago, some of my favorite plants, some of the ones you've seen on my Black Orchid Instagram, I put them out here, didn't set a timer, didn't set a reminder. Old age, ACD, OCD, all the letters kicked in, and I totally forgot that those plants were out here. And so literally the next day, it is burning hot. I'm laying down, kind of hanging out, and it hits me. My plants are outside. And I run out, and they are all limp and dehydrated. They had started to discolor and the whole 9 yards. And so it was a horrible day, to say the least, and I was not able to recover a lot of those plants. So I highly recommend you do this on a regular basis, or occasionally, let's just say that. But also always set a timer. Look at your weather app, always set a timer, and know you're going to be there to do this. And when that timer goes off, you go get your plants. But it is good for them to be out here in this moisture, in this natural rain mist, and this natural humidity. And that is just about it for me today. As always, thanks for joining me. If you enjoy the orchid content, you can head on over to the Black Orchid Project channel. That is orchid only content. Here you might get orchids. You'll get some cooking content from my dad's kitchen channel. You might even learn how to fix something under your sink. So I always appreciate you joining me. And as always, be safe. More importantly, be kind. Never give up on them. And until next time, cheers.